How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Jack from J&K Finance Detailing, and today we are doing a premium interior package on this Toyota Camry. Let's get into it. Alright, so before we start, we would like to remove all the trash inside the vehicle out, and then next up, we like to follow up with a vacuum just to kind of remove all the dirt, and then next up, the tornado. Alright, now that we got the car all vacuumed up, next up is our tornado process. So basically what this does is it blows out everything and basically sanitizes and cleans the vehicle. So let's get to it. Now we're moving on to the next step in our process, which is shampooing the seats and the carpets. Here I have our carpet cleaner spray and our drill brush.
Alright Jack, now that you guys are done vacuuming and tornadoing the car and also brushing it, what's the next step here?
Yep, so as you can see, we sprayed the seats with our chemical or carpet cleaner. So now we have to extract all the dirt and the chemicals out of the seats and basically make it almost brand new again.
Alright, let's do it.
Now that we're done with the extracting process, we're going to move on to the interior wipe down.